Hello everyone, you're welcome to today's class. I will be your basic science teacher. I will be taking you just one. Our topic today is measuring things. Measuring things. Measuring is the act or the process of finding the size, quantity, or degree of something. Measuring is the act or the process of finding the size, quantity, or degree of something. Reasons why we need to measure. 1. To build a house, we must know how long, which is the length, how wide, which is the width, and how high, which is the height it will be. And we must also know the size of the room, windows, doors, etc. Another reason why we need to measure. 2. Before constructing a road, the engineers need to know the distance between two towns. 3. Before a carpenter makes a furniture, he must measure the size of the wood before making any furniture, so that to get the particular thing that person wants. Maybe it might be a vase flax. Before you construct such thing, you measure it. A tailor needs to take measurement before sewing clothes. Before you sew any clothes, the tailor needs to take your measurements, because we have different size. We are all made of different size. Someone might be fat or slim, so they need to take your measurements so that they can get the particular design and the size of that person. A trader who sells nail, salt, rice, frozen chicken, etc., they need measurement to be able to trade profitable. You don't expect a trader to just pack all the rice and give it to you. They need to measure that particular items before giving it to you, so that they can make profit from it. Also, an engineer designing and fabricating machines or motor cars needs to take measurements to get the right design or the right thing. Then we also have what we call standard units. A standard unit is the one that is accepted and understood by everybody all over the world. The term SI unit refers to the International Unit of Measurements, which is System International. Measuring length. The system or measurement of system item measure things from one end to another is its length, and the standard unit of length is the meter, which is known as m. While the smaller units for measuring length include, we have the centimeter and the millimeter. The symbol is cm, while that of millimeter is mm. Now, a larger unit for measuring length is the kilometer, which is known as the km. Instruments used for measuring things. 9. The primitive way used by our forefathers, that is in those days that they used in measuring length, we have the cubit, the span, the pace. So food became unaccepted because they are not the same for everybody. So with consequence in time, they introduce other instruments which are used for measuring length. We have the metal rule, we have the tape rule, we have the micrometer, and the high scale. Now note, when measuring with ruler, your eyes must be directly above the point on the ruler that is being read. That is, when you're measuring things, your eye must be directly the point of which you want that ruler to start from, or the measurement to start from. Your eye must be there. And also note that 1 kilometer give us 1 meter, 1 centimeter is equals to 0.01 meter or 100 meter. 1 millimeter is equals to 0.001 meter or 1000 meter. And lastly, 1 decimeter is equals to 1.1 meter or 10 meter. Assignments. Draw 5 instruments used for measuring length. Thank you.